Welcome to our morning meeting, Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. As you can see, I added pharmacy and physician to our PH list. Pharmacy. What's interesting about pharmacy, we have the PH that says F, and we have the pirate A that says R, and we have the M for, and then A. Look at this one. S. That's that C that makes the sound that we learned, what was that, last week? It seems so long ago. And then we have the Y at the end that makes that sound E. When you hear E at the end of the word, it's usually a Y. Pharmacy. And then we'll move down to physician. This one is a little trickier. We have the Y is acting as a vowel, and it says I. Phys, it's sort of between a Z and an S sound. Phys, I, and then C-I-A-N. If you see C-I-A-N together, it says shun, which also T-I-O-N will say the same thing, shun. So when you see those, it sounds, if you recognize that when you read, you should read it shun usually. See if that makes sense. So physician. Those are our two new words. So we'll make our way over to the calendar. I made a little adjustment. I wrote the days of the week a little bit darker because we couldn't really see them and I couldn't ask so many questions about it. So you can see that today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. It is the fourth Wednesday in March. My first question for you today is, how many days ago did spring begin? Count backwards. Let's do it together. Ready? Here we are today. Let's count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days ago, spring began. Spring began 1 week ago tomorrow. So tomorrow it will be 1 week since spring began. Today, let's see if I can think of another question offhand. What special thing happened the third Tuesday of March? Take a look. Let's count down. 1, 2, 3. It was St. Patrick's Day. Today will be sunny and 54 degrees. So it looks like we had 2 sunny days in a row, which is nice. Now yesterday was 55 and today is 54. Thumb up or thumb down? Did it get warmer or cooler today? I hope your thumb is down. If not, turn it around. Today is cooler than yesterday. And how many degrees cooler? 55 to 54. How many degrees do you need to count back? Show me with your finger. Are you holding up one finger? Excellent. Okay, let's count how many days we've been in school. Oh, I forgot to even say good morning to everybody. Here you all are sitting at morning meeting again. We are going to add a straw for today, so I will reach for it. There it is. And I'm going to pop it in there. And then we are adding one more straw, so I'll add one number. 128 plus 1 is 129. So we've been in school 129 days. How many tens are in 129? Remember, if we count these as 10 tens, 11 tens, 12 tens in 129. And how many ones in 129? We look to the ones and we see that there are 9. We'll look at that when we do our base 10 blocks. So here we have yesterday's $1, 25, 26, 27, 28. We'll add one more penny and we make it 29. $1, 29 cents. If you can think of another way to make $1.29, go tell someone, a grown-up, and see if you're right. We're going to move over to our base 10 blocks. We have one we have one brick, which is 100 ones. 10, 20. We have 2 rods that make the 20. And then we have 8, and we will add one more. Let me get one more out of the bag. Sorry, I wasn't prepared. Get one more out of the bag to make 129. There we go. There's the extra one. So we have 129. So here's a question for you. How many, if we were doing it all in single cubes, how many single cubes would we have? The answer is 129 single cubes. If we didn't have the brick and we had the rods, how many rods would we have? Were you thinking 12? This is 10, 11, 12. If we took this one away and we have 11 tens, how many single ones would we need? Not 9, but 19. That would be 11 tens and 19 ones make 129 also. Okay, I want to thank you for joining me for morning meeting, and I want to say goodbye to all of you until I talk to you again. So, goodbye, Amelia. Goodbye, Emma. Goodbye, Jessica. Goodbye, Sana. Goodbye, Brian. Goodbye, Andrew. Goodbye, my star. There's Joey, our star. Goodbye, Aaron. Goodbye, Liam. Goodbye, Ethan. Goodbye, Margot. Goodbye, Skylar. Goodbye, Emma. Goodbye, Christian. Goodbye, Emma. Goodbye, Adriana. Goodbye, Valentina. Goodbye, Sean. Goodbye, Cammie. Goodbye, Adama. You're all back in my cup where I can look at you and say, I miss you all and can't wait to be with you again. Have a great day.